Are you a new resident in Canada, or maybe a student, or a temporary worker? And you're wondering if you can open a TD bank account without a SIN? You're not alone. This is one of the most common questions for people starting their financial journey in Canada. Here's the quick answer: yes, you can. But it's not always a straight-up yes. Let's break down the details and what you need to know. First, let's get one thing straight. The Canadian government guarantees everyone living in Canada the right to a bank account, even if you don't have a job or any money to put in it right away. And that includes people without a social insurance number. TD Bank, like all major Canadian banks, has to follow these rules. They are absolutely able to open an account for you if you have the right identification. A SIN is not required by law for opening a basic checking or savings account. So, what documents do you need instead of a SIN? To open a TD account, you'll need to confirm your identity. They typically require at least 2 pieces of identification. This could be a passport, a permanent resident card, a Canadian driver's license, or even an immigration document like a work or study permit. The bank also needs proof of your address. This could be a utility bill, a rental agreement, or even a recent bank statement from a different bank. The key is that the documents must be original and up to date. Now, a quick but important note. While you can open a basic account without a SIN, you may need one for specific types of accounts. For example, accounts that earn interest, like a high-interest savings account, or registered accounts like a TFSA or RRSP, will require a SIN. The bank needs your SIN to report the interest income to the Canada Revenue Agency. So, if your goal is a simple checking account for everyday banking, you can definitely proceed without a SIN. But if you're looking to start saving and earning interest, it's a good idea to get your SIN as soon as you're eligible. TD has specific banking packages for newcomers to Canada that make this process easier. You can often start the application online and then finalize it at a branch, which is where you'll present your physical documents. The best advice is to call a TD branch or check their website for the most current requirements before you go in. This ensures you have all the necessary paperwork and makes the process as smooth as possible. Remember, starting your financial life in a new country can seem overwhelming, but with the right information, it's a lot easier. Opening a bank account is a key first step, and rest assured, you can do it at TD without a SIN.